Good morning and welcome to our final year project presentation. My name is Tan Jiaqi and my registration number is 03DPR18F2022. Now I would like to introduce my teammates, which is VINOSHINI, PUSHBANATHAN and HEMATURGAI MANIMARAN. We are glad to stand here to making this presentation. It is contain 9 topics that we will present, which is introduction, business overview, situation analysis, SWOT analysis, sales forecast, marketing strategy, Gantt chart, budget, and conclusion. Now I would like to pass my turn to my teammates, VINOSHINI.
My name is VINOSHINI Dr. PUSHBANATHAN. My metric number is 03DPR18F2025. Today I would like to present about Smart Inventory application. First of all, I wish to brief about introduction of LaFail Company. LaFail Company was established in March 2021 as an application creator company in Jitra. LaFail Company always focus on how to help the small business operator to manage their stock and inventory easily. It does a lot of research to find the ideas to creating mobile application that can help small business operator to manage their stock and inventory easier. So, LaFail Company started to do a survey on small business operator about what the small business operator need on their stock management and how they manage their stock. After that, we follow the small business operator demand to do the stock inventory management application. While we are creating the application, we also find some small business operator to help them to using the application. So we can improve the application feature by follow the demand of small business operator. We try to find a way to quantity and simple stock and inventory mobile application. Next is I want to explain about background of company. LaFail Company had established in Malaysia on 20 March 2021. LaFail Company is a mobile application creator that managed by 3 partners. This company will be established is because of the ideas of 3 partners about they found there was many problem that had faced by small business operator while they are processing their works. So they decided to create this company to help the small business operator to solve their problem on their works. This is our LaFail Company logo. Our vision of LaFail Company is to bring our company growth to the national level. Our mission of LaFail Company is to help the small business operator manage their inventory easier. Other than that, the objective of Smart Inventory application is to help the small business operator note down the inventory price, stock and order stock by using the application. Second objective is to ensure the small business operator adding the stock without mistake. Third is to help the small business operator can easily order the stock from the supplier by using the application and through WhatsApp. The last objective of Smart Inventory application is to help the small business operator checking the stock with the key in name of product or can scan directly with the barcode. This is our LaFail Company layout. LaFail Company considered to small business operators who invest time and effort in visiting and using services deserve to be treated as welcome guests. For example, it provides hospitality like male and female toilet, resting room, cafeteria, waiting area, meeting room, storeroom, server room, staff area, reception counter and office 1, office 2 and office 3. The main purpose of office layout is LaFail Company is to effective office layout ensure a smooth flow of work. It helps to manage, monitor and supervise the activities of the staff. The organizational chart says the CEO position is award to Tan Jiaqi, followed by 3 managers. That is a marketing director position by MANIMARAN, MANIMARAN, assistant manager is positioned by me, and financial manager is positioned by Nur Farisha binti Muhammad Khalid. Some of the below assistant manager position, there is another person Muhammad Irfan bin Maddaud is positioned as a sales manager. This is our icon of Smart Inventory application. The advantages of Smart Inventory application is track low stock levels and identify the reorder points for each product, in turn avoiding the occurrence of stock outs. This is because Smart Inventory application has a function that can check the stocks. So small business operator can easily view their stock. They can easily to avoid low stock. Next is it helps small business operator easily to contact the supplier by not wasting time to contact the seller. Small business operator can easily contact supplier to order the stock by using this application. More of advantage of Smart Inventory application is make the process of managing inventory a whole lot of easier and save more time. By using Smart Inventory application, the small business operator can use the feature of this application to manage their stock. All the functions are created simple and easy to use. Other than that, the advantages of Smart Inventory application is help small business operator to easily understand stock quantity. Small business operator can check their stock quantity every time and every way by using this application. This is our icon of Smart Inventory application. The advantages of Smart Inventory application is track low stock levels and identify the reorder points for each product, in turn avoiding the occurrence of stock outs. This is because smart inventory application has a function that can check the stocks. So small business operator can easily view their stock. They can easily to avoid low stock. Next is it helps small business operator easily to contact the supplier by not wasting time to contact the seller. Small business operator can easily contact supplier to order the stock by using this application. More advantage of smart inventory application is make the process of managing inventory a whole lot of easier and save more time. By using smart inventory application, the small business operator can use the feature of this application to manage their stock. All the functions are created simple and easy to use. Other than that, the advantages of smart inventory application is help small business operator to easily understand stock quantity. Small business operator can check their stock quantity every time and every way by using this application. In this generation, many people use smartphone which can access to internet. A lot of entrepreneurs start to use internet platform to earn their profits. So Lafayette company create an application that is smart inventory application to help small business operator to easily manage their stock and inventory. According to our survey, we found there are many inventory management applications that almost same with our application. But the smart inventory application that are created by Lafayette company are not only at the feature of check stock, add stock, but it also has a special feature that is contact supplier. The small business operator does not need to order the stock with seller by third-party application, and we trust this feature will help us to attract more customers. Target market and product. First is demographic segmentation. Lafayette company creates smart inventory application that can be used by small business operators. We create this application is because of the small business operators often suffer in inventory management. So we create this application to help them easy to manage the inventory. They can use this application to manage their inventory and check the stock in stock. Lafayette company had find several small business operators in Jitra area to do demo for this application. They agreed that it will become easy after using this application to manage their stock, and they no need to write it down on a book anymore. According to this survey, we can observe this application is easily to use by the small business operators because the application is easy to use and it brings more benefits such as save more time, manage their stock without mistake, and etc. Second is the geographic segmentation. The areas that we target to promote the smart inventory application is in the north of the Peninsula Malaysia, that is Kedah and Penang. We will be target to Kedah and Penang is because this area have a lot of small business operators which open their shop in small village or town. This smart inventory application is very useful for them because they just need to pay 105 ringgit per month to get this application. The purpose that we set 105 ringgit per month is because we want to make sure the price can afford by small business operators in small village or town. We try to create this application which is simple and easy to use to ensure that the small business operators from town or small village can easily understand how to use this application to manage their stock. Lafayette company market size is according to how many small business operators around area at Kedah and Penang who interest in using smart inventory application. Our market size is just target to Kedah and Penang because of due to the COVID-19. We can't promote it to all Malaysia because many small business are forced to close because the economic situation is not stable. So we plan to try promoting it in Kedah and Penang first. Lafayette company will focus more on Kedah because the data percentage of market size in Kedah is very high. Population of Kedah is 2,193,900 person, and Lafayette company occupies 60% in Kedah that will subscribe to our application compared with other competitors companies. After that, population of Penang is 1,783,600, and Lafayette company occupy 40% in Penang that will subscribe smart inventory application. They need to pay for the application every month to continue using. But if there are any future update of the application, the user can experience the new updates without any charge. The company had done estimation of market share if the smart inventory application is launched. The market share that Lafayette company will get from the competitor is 60%. This is because the special feature of contact seller in our application can more attract the customer's attention, especially we have the feature that is our smart inventory application can order stock with supplier without using any third-party application. In order, customer need to pay every month to continue using the application, but they no need to pay extra charges for any update in the future. Otherwise, why top shelf, on shelf and inventory now, company just can get 40% only. This is because Lafayette company also will make sure the customer will be loyal to smart inventory application with understanding the competitor advantages and disadvantages. so that it can perform this application very well in market. Other than that, they do the application with the feature that do not attract customer a lot. Conclusion: customer more like smart inventory application that created by Lafayette company is because they are easy to use and more features they can get in this application.
Thank you, Vino. We are going to look at the SWOT analysis. There are 4 topics, which is strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. First is strength. It is the smart inventory application can easily help small business operators easily to check their company's store database. With this smart inventory application, they can arrange their stock without of worries. This application also can easily help them to add the stock, check the stock quantities, and contact supplier to order the stock. We use the barcode scanner to add stock. It can just do by scanning the barcode on the product. Because smart inventory application have internet access, so it can contact the supplier when the small business operator needs to order the stock by clicking the button in the application. Second is weakness. As you can see, there are 4 problems that we had facing on the process of creating the smart inventory application. It is too hard to find a person that can help us to creating this application because it is not easy to create this application. Another problem that we have facing is it take a long time to create this app, so we cannot get this application immediately. Then is the cost of creating this application is high because of the features in this application is not easy to create. The last weakness about this application is it is only can access by Android users and cannot access by iOS and Windows user. So we will find out the way to decrease our weakness. For example, make this app able to use on iOS and Windows device. The third one is opportunities of smart inventory application. We will optimize the user experience and fix the bugs that user face. We will collect the feedback and problems that had submitted by customer and fix the bugs by refer them. Other than that, we will improve the application speed so the application will run more faster. This will help user to do the job faster. Then our next approval is on the contact the supplier. For now, we link the app to WhatsApp so the supplier can receive order via WhatsApp. We will also offer this application to the supplier so the supplier can receive the order from small business operator from this application. After that, we will add some graphics feature in this application such as seller can change the application theme that they like in the application. We will also offer to Windows and iOS user in future. All of this will be done on the future updates. The last one is tracks. Due to the movement control MCO in Malaysia, many small business operators forced to close their shop. So the using of this application will decrease and our profits will decrease by 10 to 15%. So we should promote this application to the other stage, such as Kuala Lumpur, Johor or Selangor, so we can get more users to using this application. Other than that, we will more focus on online promote, so people will know about this application even they stay at home. Table below is showing the sales forecast of Lafayette company. The first one is the unit sales. Lafayette company has sold 2,000 units of smart inventory in January, 2,500 in February, 3,000 in March, 3,500 in April, 4,000 in May, 4,500 in June, 5,000 in July, 5,500 in August, 6,000 in September, 6,500 in August, 7,000 in November, and 6,500 in December. The total unit sales in year 2020 is 30,000 and year 2021 is 31,000. All of the unit price that Lafayette company said is 105 ringgit. So the total sales in January are RM 210,000, RM 262,500 in February, RM 315,000 in March, RM 367,500 in April, RM 420,000 in May, RM 472,500 in June, RM 525,000 in July, RM 577,500 in August, RM 630,000 in September, RM 682 and 500 in October, RM 735,000 in November, and RM 787,500 in December. The total sales in year 2020 is RM 3,150,000, and year 2021 is RM 3,255,000. Last topic that I want to present is marketing strategy. It contains 4 strategies, which is product strategy, pricing strategy, distribution strategy, and IMC strategy. The first one is product strategy. Lafayette Company had used several of product strategies to attract more customers to subscribe smart inventory application. First, Lafayette Company create an application that can easily solve the inventory management of the small business operator. Lafayette Company had added the features that simple and easily to use by the small business operator. The second strategy that Lafayette Company used is add the features in this application, such as add stock, check stock, and contact supplier to order the stock. With these features, the small business operator can manage their stock without any miscalculation. The third strategy that used by Lafayette Company is let the small business operator pay every month and without any extra charges for the future updates. This is because the small business operator can enjoy the experience without extra charge in future updates. The last strategy that used by Lafayette Company is ensure that the application that we created used in good quality. This is because Lafayette Company want to build the confidence with their customer. Next, this is the features of smart inventory application. The first feature is add stock. We need to enter the product name, select the supplier company, enter the quantity, selling price, and scan barcode on the product. After done these steps, we need to click on the save button and the products will be added to the stock. After that is check stock. These features will show all of the stock that you have added, and you also can delete the stock if you don't want. The next feature is add supplier. We should enter the supplier company name, supplier name, and the contact number. After that, click on the save button and the supplier will be added. We also can search the supplier by using the company name, supplier name, or contact number. The last feature is order stock. First, we need to select the product that we want to place order and key in the quantity. Then go to the cart and click on Send Other. The other will send to the supplier via WhatsApp. Packaging. The packaging that used by Lafayette Company is flyers that are show the details of the step, so when the customer wants to use this application, they just need to view this flyer and follow the instruction from first step until last step. But they need to pay the money first before they want to download. Other than that, if the small business operators has any problem or the question that they want to ask, they can directly contact the Lafayette Company with the phone number that had been given in the flyer. The second is pricing strategy. The pricing strategy used by Lafayette Company is competitor-based pricing. The price that had set to the smart inventory application is 105 ringgit per month. This is because Lafayette Company had done a survey. The survey shows most of the small business operator doesn't want to pay too much money on the inventory application. After that, Lafayette Company done a research about the competitors such as Inventory Now, ThoughtSelf, and OnSelf. Lafayette Company had added a features that doesn't include in competitor application, that is contact supplier to order stock. In addition, Lafayette Company choose to set the price at the median compared to the competitor. For details, you can refer to the table below. Lastly, Lafayette Company will update application from time to time without any extra purchasing. As we can see in the table, Lafayette Company has set the price at 105 ringgit per month compared to the competitor A ThoughtSelf set their price at 283 and 56 cents per month. Other than that, competitor B OnSelf has set They are priced at 12 ringgit and 19 cents per month and 133 ringgit 20. The last one is competitor C inventory now. They set the price at 406 ringgit 84 cents per month for the enterprise subscription, and for the professional subscription, they set the price at 49 ringgit 31 cents per month, which is 1 year subscription, and 57 ringgit 53 cents per month, which is monthly basic. Lafayette company use the distribution strategy is direct distribution channel, which is producer to consumer. Lafayette company use this direct distribution channel is because the application is made by the creator of Lafayette company. When the application is done, it will be promoting by the salesman to the small business operator and without passing through any retailer. We will also promote our application in social media such as Facebook or Instagram. So people who interested with small inventory application, they can refer our application and services on Facebook or Instagram. Therefore, if there are any small business operator are interested with this application, they will directly be due to Lafayette company. After that, Lafayette company will basically promote this application to the small business operator shop lot areas. This is because the purpose that Lafayette company created this application is to help small business operator to solve their inventory management problem. So Lafayette company use this strategy that set the market in area around the small business operator because it can slowly develop bigger in future. The last one is IMC strategy. It has contained advertising, direct marketing, and social media marketing. First is advertising, which Lafayette company use several ways to do the advertising. The first way is that used by the Lafayette company is created an advertising video to promote the smart inventory application. Lafayette company had hired a video editor to create an advertisement video with the graphics and design. After that, Lafayette company used the printed media communication technique to transmit the message to the small business operator. Lafayette company created the flyer, brochure, and poster with the content that involve the application features. Lafayette company also hiring some salesmen to work in the shop and give an explanation about the smart inventory application. They will use their communication skills to present the application to the small business operator. As you can see, this flyer and poster both shows the features and process of the smart inventory application, content information, and the QR code for download the smart inventory application. The next one is brochure that shows the information of Lafayette company and how to download the smart inventory application. Next is direct marketing. Lafayette company had used the communication with the user with direct mail. The purpose of using direct mail is most of the people had internet access in this generation. By using the direct mail, Lafayette company can save more cost to promote the product to the user. Lafayette company will inform the customer the newest updates to customer by using this direct mail at the first time. The picture shows that Lafayette company send the poster by using the email. And the last one is social media. Social media is the best platform that can easily spread out the advertising through all online interactions. Lafayette company had also created the advertising through the social media such as Facebook and Instagram. Lafayette company will also use the function of post in the Facebook or Instagram to easily spread out the advertising to the area that had targeted. The purpose of Lafayette company do advertising by using Facebook and Instagram is because the advertising cost is lower and it can easily to spread out the advertisement to many people. The picture below is show about the Lafayette company's Instagram and Facebook.
Good day to my lecturer, Madam Aslina binti Abu Bakar, and to my supervisors, Madam Nur Azia binti Azizan and Madam Siti Fatima Muhammad Azali. I'm HEMATURGAI MANIMARAN from DPR 5B, metric number 03 DPR 18F 2042. Now I'm going to present about the Gantt chart for our smart inventory app, which is created by the Lafayette company for year 2021. First, we use advertising tools such as brochure, flyer, poster, and video. For brochure, we started to promote through brochure starting from February until August, and for flyer, January until September, and for poster, January until April. And last, for the video, we started to promote May until October. And next, we also use email in direct marketing to promote our app. Okay, in email we started to promote starting from April until November. And at last, we also use social media such as Facebook and Instagram. For Facebook, we started to promote it at Facebook starting from February until August, and for Instagram, April until December. Next is marketing budget for the year 2019. For video advertising starting from January until December, we spend 600 ringgit for every month, and for flyer 200 ringgit every month, and for brochure still the same 200 ringgit starting from January until December every month, and for poster we spend 480 ringgit for every month starting from January until December. Then for public relation we held the employee events. We do the employee events on February and we spend 1000 ringgit, and we also do in December and same we still spend 1000 ringgit. And then next is promotion. For promotion we do a product discount. For product discount we discount 21 ringgit for each unit. We do the discount on January, March, May, July, September and November. Okay, then next for direct marketing we use direct mailing. For direct mailing we spend 400 ringgit starting from January until December each month. For social media marketing we use Facebook and Instagram. For Facebook starting from January until December we use 500 ringgit for every month, and for Instagram also same. Starting from January until December we use 500 ringgit. Then the total cost for January is 2901 ringgit. For February 3880 ringgit. For March 2901 ringgit. For April 2880 ringgit. For May 2901 ringgit. For June 2880 ringgit. For July 2901 ringgit. To August 2880 ringgit. For September 2901 ringgit. For October 2880 ringgit. For November 2901 ringgit, and lastly for December 3818 ringgit. And the total year cost is for marketing budget is 36,686 ringgit. Next is marketing budget for the year 2019 until 2021. For video advertising we spend 72,000 starting from 2019 until 2021 for every year. And for flyer we spend 24,000 starting from 2019 until 2021. And for brochure is the same. We spend 24,000 starting from 2019 until 2021. And for poster we spend 5,760 ringgit for 2019 until 2021. And for public relations we organize employee events, and for that we spend 2,000 for every year starting from 2019 until 2021. And for promotion we use product discount. For product discount we spent 126 ringgit starting from 2019 until 2021. And for direct marketing we use direct mailing, and for that we spend 4,800 ringgit for every year starting from 2019 until 2021. And last for social media marketing, Facebook we spend 6,000 starting from 2019 until 2021 every year. And for Instagram also same. We spend 6,000 starting from 2019 until 2021. And the total marketing cost for 2019 is 36,686 ringgit. And for total marketing cost for 2020 is 36,686 ringgit. And for 2021 also same. The total marketing cost is 36,686 ringgit. Then marketing budget per item. For video advertising cost per unit is 600 times with 2 unit get 1,200 as total cost. Flyer 1 ringgit 30 cent times with 600 unit 718 ringgit. Brochure 1 ringgit 50 cent times with 600 unit, the total cost is 900. For poster 480 ringgit times with 10 units get 4,800. For direct mailing 1 ringgit times with 200 units we get 200 as a total cost. For Facebook 200 ringgit times with 5 units 1,000 is a total cost. Okay, for Instagram 200 ringgit times with 5 get 1,000 ringgit as a total cost. And when we sum all the total cost 1,200, 718, 900, 4,800, 200, 1,000 and again 1,000. The total cost of advertising we will get 9,818. And then for next promotion is we do product discount. For the 2,000 unit we will discount 21 ringgit for each unit. So it will deduct 42,000 from our profit. For employee salary, first is for CEO. For CEO we give 5,000 ringgit, and for marketing director and assistant manager and financial manager, 3 of them salaries are the same, 3,500 ringgit. And for sales manager salary is 3,000, and then for staff is 1,800 ringgit times with 8 staff. The total salary is 14,400 ringgit. And the total cost for employee salary is 32,900 ringgit. And then next for employee events. For employee events, we get food cost per unit is 40 ringgit times with 13 units, we get 520 ringgit. Then for drinks, cost per unit is 5 ringgit times with 13 units, we get 65 ringgit. And for lucky draw, 500 ringgit times with 5 units, we get 2,500 ringgit. And for room rental, cost per unit is 1,200 ringgit times with 1 unit, we get 1,200 ringgit. And for gift, cost per unit is 80 ringgit times with 13, we get 1,040 ringgit. And for karaoke, cost per unit is 300 ringgit times with 1, we get 300 ringgit. Okay, total cost employee event is 5,625 ringgit. Okay, next is marketing budget for other expenses. First, rental cost per unit is 3,500 ringgit times by 1 unit, total cost 3,500 ringgit. And for phone and Wi-Fi, cost per unit 349 ringgit times by 1 unit, total 349 ringgit. And for registration and license, cost per unit 120 ringgit times by 1 unit, total 120 ringgit. And for renovation cost per unit 8,000 times by 1 unit, total 8,000. And for signboard, cost per unit 3,000 times by 1 unit, total 3,000. And for name cards, cost per unit is 50 cent times by 1,000 unit, total we get 500 ringgit. And for electric and water bill, cost per unit is 2,300 ringgit times by 1 unit, total we get 2,300 ringgit. And total cost of others is 17,769 ringgit. And now is for overall cost for marketing budget. First is advertising. For advertising, total cost is 9,880 ringgit. Second, for promotion, total cost is 42,000. And for employee salary, total cost is 32,900 ringgit. And for employee event, total cost is 5,625 ringgit. And last, for others is total cost 17,769 ringgit. Now total overall cost for marketing budget is 108,174 ringgit. Okay, at last I'm gonna present about the conclusion. Our LAFEL company had successfully created the smart inventory application that can help small business operator easily to manage their stock. We also had successfully to achieve the objective and the problems that are listed by the small business operator. We had made this application that contains of many features such as add stock, check stock, and contact supplier without using any third-party application. Our LAFEL company had created this application by referring to the problem that are faced by small business operator while they manage their stocks. Our LAFEL company will ensure the quality of the application is in good condition and easy to handle by the small business operator. And we hope that the application of LAFEL company can help a lot of the small business operators to easily manage their stock on future updates. We also hope LAFEL company will become well-known application and software in Malaysia. Okay, that's all for our presentation. Thanks a lot to my lecturer and to my supervisor. Thank you, madam.